Welcome to 2771 Elkhorn Drive in Milton, Florida. I'm in the community of Ashley Plantation here today, and this is a 5-bedroom, 3 full bathroom home built in 2019. It's been impeccably maintained. It's practically a new house here. As you can see, we have wonderful sidewalks in this neighborhood. Beautiful landscaping on this home as well. Hurricane coverings with the exterior is brick and hardiplank siding. Nice little front sitting porch here. We have a ring doorbell and a keyless entry already ready to go in this house. So coming in here, you can see we have a really nice sized foyer coming in. On the left hand side, we have a formal dining space. They have seating for 6 in here, so very nice and spacious. Recessed lighting with some tray ceilings as well. And just over on the opposite side here, they're utilizing this room as an office space. It would also be a nice formal sitting room or a playroom, or if you needed that bonus space. Very nice large room here. Vinyl plank flooring throughout this home as well. Again, it is like a brand new home in here. So coming in on the right hand side, we have the first 2 bedrooms and full bathroom here. Lots of natural light in this house. There are ceiling fans in every bedroom as well, and blinds throughout this home. Carpet is in pristine shape. There are no pets in this home. Here's our second bedroom here. Kind of mirrored as the last one that I just showed you. And just across the way here, we have a convenient linen closet and a bathroom with a shower tub combo with granite countertops as well. All right, we have a convenient coat closet here in the hall coming in the front foyer and into the main living area. Very spacious open floor plan here, just wonderful open concept living. Double tray ceiling in the living room and an upgraded ceiling fan as well, and recessed lighting as well throughout the main living area. It flows wonderfully over here into the kitchen. We have stainless steel appliances, a wall oven and built-in microwave, a 5-burner electric cooktop and an undermount sink with a beautiful hood range here. Just tons of storage space in this kitchen. Lots of counter space as well. Just a really nice setup for comfortable living and entertaining. They're utilizing this space over here as a breakfast nook as well. So you have the 2 eating spaces, the breakfast space over here, as well as the formal dining space. Just off the kitchen here on the back side of the house, we have 2 additional bedrooms and a full bathroom. These rooms are a little bit larger than the 2 bedrooms on the front side of the house. Again, ceiling fans in all the bedrooms. And in between here, we have another full bath with a granite countertop and a shower tub combo. Again, it is impeccably maintained in here. It's like a brand new house in here, so nothing on the to-do list with this home at all whatsoever. Again, this room is a little bit larger than the other 2 on the front side of the house. Now I'm going to take you out over into the master. It has a little secluded entryway over here, so you have a little privacy to your master suite. Very spacious master with the tray ceiling and recessed lighting as well. And I just love this master bathroom. We have a very large double granite vanity in here. Plenty of countertop space. We have a linen closet, a water closet, a really nice sized walk-in shower here with tile, and a garden tub as well. Very spacious bathroom over here. Lots of natural light coming in through this window in the master bathroom. And into our very nice size walk-in closet here. Plenty of space for his and hers. And now I'm gonna go ahead and take you out. I will show you, this is the water closet here. And then we have the linen closet just behind the door here in the bathroom. So we have private access to the outdoor covered patio space out here. I will take you out the other way and give you a peek of that. This home also has a very sizable 3-car garage, as well as a very large pantry. No complaints here on this. Plenty of storage space. Look at all the shelving in here. It's one of the larger walk-in pantries that I've definitely seen. And then we have the laundry room over here as well, with some additional storage space up top. I'll give you a peek at the 3-car garage here. We have So we have a 2-bay and then a single bay over here. Very nice size garage. Out into the backyard, again, we have a really nice size covered space here. Perfect for entertaining, flows nicely right out through the kitchen. Out into the backyard. And these lots are actually half an acre, so you have plenty of room to add a pool, to fence the backyard, anything that you might want to do back here. You have a blank canvas to do that. So again, this is 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths with that bonus office space up front. Side entry garage, and it's over 3,000 square feet. This is 2771 Elkhorn Drive in Milton, Florida. Please let us know if you have anybody who'd like to see it or you'd like to set up a private showing.